Hello guys, welcome po uli sa ating channel. Ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano magbayad ng Meralco bill gamit ang Tonic Bank. So yan po, open na po natin yung Tonic Bank. Yan. So yan. So nag-cash in na po tayo or nag-top up. Nilagyan ko na po yung laman para mabayaran natin yung Meralco bill natin. So click nyo lang yung pay. Ayan. So dito po na-save na po kasi natin yung Meralco bills natin. Ayan yung my bills. So kung first time nyo, click nyo lang tong add a biller. Ayan. Then click nyo yung Meralco. Next, then lagay nyo lang po yung account number. Yun yung 10 digits. So after nyan, next nyo lang. So since na nakapagano na ako, na-save ko na or na-add, hindi ko na po siya go. So yan na po siya. After nun, click nyo na lang po to dito. Ayan, automatic na po siya kasi nalagay nyo na po yung account number. Then, click lagay nyo lang po yung amount, exact amount. Ayan, pay now. So ayan, double check nyo yung account info. Then confirm. So ayan po. Sweet, you have received your Meralco bill payment and are currently processing it. Thank you. You have a great day ahead. Please note that payments made after 7 p.m. will be posted 7 a.m. the next day. So, since na 10:55 a.m. pa lang, real time po to. Itong araw na rin to mapaprocess po yan. So, yan, may nag-message. Naka-receive tayo ng message. So, yan po. Success love sabi. Your bills pay Meralco transaction was completed. Ayan po, may reference number. So wala siyang wala pong bayad kasi sakto lang po yung laman ng pera natin sa Tonic Bank, yung balance natin. So wala siyang charge. So yun lang po. Good